I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before investing your own money. Your capital is at risk. When you invest in the stock market, prices can go up as well as down. Please do your own research. Hello YouTube and welcome to April's portfolio update. This month's been a fairly flat month really, no big change in it, so nothing exciting to report there. Overall not much change. I've added 2 more companies to the portfolio this month. First that being Citigroup, which is financial banking. I chose to add these because interest rates rose again. So I thought, well, I'm going to add a bank into this again, and there's really a choice between a number of choices down from like Barclays, Lloyds, HSBC, and Citigroup. Kind of came down between this and HSBC. I chose Citibank over the other ones because they pay their dividends quarterly, and it was at the lowest. They were at a very, very low share price, so quite a bargain buy, I thought. Plus, I own the other ones in my other portfolio, so I didn't really want to. I wanted to buy. I didn't own Citigroup before, so I thought I'd give that one a go. And it's doing okay at the moment. It's up a little bit, so happy with that. Some other purchases I've made in previous months doing okay. Apart from Direct Line, that's a bit down a little bit. And the other one I added was another financial one, which is Horizon Technology Finance. These sort of lend to companies that aren't quite big enough to go and float themselves on the stock market for whatever reason. There's a closed-end fund and it pays a monthly dividend, so that's another reason why I added it as well. I felt like I needed another monthly dividend payer to help my compounding effect take speed. But doing okay. Yeah, there's nothing really exciting to report back in terms of share price move and whatnot. What's the other news had this month? AT&T did a stock split for the Warner Brothers Discovery spin-off. I was going to sell them, and then I got busy and forgot, and then the share price dropped, so I've sort of kept hold of those for a little while. Might see how they go. But overall, yeah. What I was going to talk about. So, share price and what influenced it. Really, I suppose, buying and selling, supply and demand. So, supply and demand. So, yeah, so if there's 100 shares available, if a company does a public offering, and they get a public offering, they're £1 a share, those shares are generally snapped up pretty quickly. Then, because there's nobody selling, and people still want to buy, the share price will rise. And then to the point where somebody goes, oh, I'm going to sell those shares, and that's how the stock market moves along. Same could said in the other direction, is when there's more people selling than there are buying, that's when the share price is driven down. And some examples of that this month's happened was Tesla, for example. Tesla, what did he say? Elon Musk brought Twitter. I guess he's funding that by selling some of his shares in Tesla, so he put a lot of his stock for sale, I guess. That drove the price down, so that's why they've had a bit of a dip. And that's kind of how it works, really. Not too much to go, it's pretty simple. So I always look out for that sort of thing and think, do I see a gap in the market? Do I think I should buy? Sometimes do, sometimes I don't. But overall, yeah, pretty flat month, nothing really exciting to report. Yeah, these Warner Brothers discoveries are worth, to me now, I got them for free, because obviously I got them to spin off, so they're worth just under £10. When I first got them, I think that was about 13. So it's dropped quite a bit in value. Might wait till they go up, might keep them, might sell them, don't know, might hold them for a little while, who knows. So that's what I'm doing there. So currently, portfolio stands at 4,700, but that is because I've already done my investment for May today, just before recording this video. So that's kind of up a little bit more, and I have added another company that you might have seen in the list. But overall, top sort of Top holdings, still BP, still Shell. This hasn't really changed in order. I am considering doing a bit of a rebalance soon, I think. So with that, that's a quick overview of the portfolio. Let's have a look at the dividends I got for the month of April. So April was a surprising month. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, or I expect it to be good, but not as good as it's been in. So the companies that paid out, AGNC Investments, yep, I paid out good. A little bit of growth in there as well, so it's gone up every month so far. I'm happy with that. Automatic data processing again paid out, very good. Still seeing an increase. That's nice. So nice. Bank of Nova again paid out. See another increase. That's good to see. Cardinal Health paid out, and then as you can see from January, that's another increase. Jabba paid out again, another increase. Really good for that. Happy with that. My first dividends from Coca-Cola. I was expecting a little bit more, but I like it. I'm still going to hold it, see how it performs in the future. Eco Labs, again, a bit more growth in there. Look, it's big January one. Franklin Resources, again, big Januaries, happy with that. Gladstone Land, the first of my monthly payers out, or second of my monthly payers out. Still trying to build a position in there really, so 2p. It's not growth, it's not good, it's not bad, it's flat. GlaxoSmithKline, very pleased with that. So I opened that. I think I bought those in January. Oh no, I think I bought them back in the last year. So that's my second dividend payment I've had from them. And a nice little rise there, look, 17p. That's very good. Illinois 2 work. Again, steady, nice bit of growth. Seeing there, it's going up. First of my ETFs paid out again. Big January's payment. So again, that's good. It's going rising. And then, wow, another ETF there, but that's gone down, so that's a bit disappointing. I'd like that to have been around 40p mark, really, but it is what it is. Kimberly Clark paid out again, big January, another rise. LTC Properties, fairly steady. It is a rise, but fairly steady as a grower. I do like that one. Main Street Capital, bit of a fall this month, but again, still quite a new position. I'm not overly disappointed as a monthly payer, and I like monthly payers because I get the dividends sooner. The sooner I get dividends, the sooner I can reinvest them. The quicker I can make the compound effect take hold. Medtronics, a rise there. Wasn't expecting that. I thought that was going to be flat, so that was a nice little surprise. Pennon Group, first dividend payment of the year. They pay bi-yearly, so not bad. 44p. So still, in fact, my biggest paying dividend company, surprisingly. How long that will last now, I'm not so sure. Got quite a few of them catching up. Pepsi Cola, yeah, second dividend payment of the year from them. That's up. That's another little rise. Very happy with that. One of my bond ETFs, fairly flat-ish, really. That quite happy with it though. Doing okay. And the same with the other one bond one. A little bit of a rise, but fairly flat. They're quite steady. They are. Quite like them. What's next? Prospect Capital, one of my favourite ones. Monthly dividend payer, very strong. I think it's rose every month I've had it, so good to see that. Nice set's going up now, 2p a month instead of 1p a month from last year. So it's really starting to compound that one. Quite like it. Very happy. Reality Income, the monthly dividend paying company. That's a REIT. Again, month on month goes up, still climbs. Very happy with that as well. Then my first payment from Rio Tinto, strong payment there of £1.63, and I'm quite happy with that because I've got just over half a share. So if I get £1.63 from that, the first dividend payment, very happy. Rolls-Royce don't pay dividend currently, but Rolls-Royce have just secured £2.4 billion worth of funds from the UK government for their SMR, which is small modular reactors, their nuclear power stations they're going to build. developing, could be very profitable. So again, that's one of my tips for the future. Put quite a bit of money in that. My other portfolio, just for transparency, I own another portfolio. I put quite a bit of money in that this month. I think they are still very undervalued. Roper Technologies, slow and steady. Beat January's payment, very happy. Shaw Communications Class B shares. It's okay. It's a flat. Keep it. It does pay okay. It just doesn't really grow, and they pay out sort of every 30 days. So some months you'll get 2 payments in a month. Sometimes that makes it a bit more attractive, but generally, really, it's not a great performer, but it does okay. Stag Industrials. That was my best company last year. A little bit stagnant this year, a little bit flat. It's not really growing this month. Slightly disappointed in that one this month. Cisco Systems, again, grown since January's payment. Very happy with that. The renewable infrastructure, that's my first one from that. It was a new buy this year, 10 pence, so it's okay. Reasonably happy with that. My Vanguard FTSE 100 ETF paid out 10 pence. Boring. My FTSE All High Dividend paid out, that was okay. Emerging Markets paid out. And the S&P 500, which is probably my favourite ETF. That always just performs really well all the time, for obvious reasons. Got a little bit of dividend from that. And the UK gilts government bonds, really. Going slow and steady, that. It's not going to make me rich, but it just keeps paying out. The US corporate bonds, again, slow and steady, not going to make me rich, but keeps paying out. VCI Properties, I was going to sell this, but I'm holding it a little bit longer now because it's quite grown since January's payment. And then Walmart paying out, happy with that as a grower, I like it. And Whitestone, which is another monthly dividend payer, one of my more impressive ones I added to the portfolio. Late last year, it's grown again this month, so very happy with that. So overall, got £10 and 3 pence, which was unexpected because I was expecting around £6 to £7 considering January's payout. That was nearly double, but I did have Rio Tinto in there, which I wasn't really expecting. But yeah, overall very happy actually. £10. So have a quick look at my first graph. So as you can see, a nice climb, a little bit of decline, but the third month of every quarter is always the strongest for me. So that was expected, but it's a lot harder than I was expecting here. I'm doing okay there. And the top dividend payers still Penning Group. Strange, but true. BP, yeah, still good, strong there. Royal Dutch Shell, third. I think I've got a bit of a tie for AG&C and Prospect Capital. I think they tie for fourth. And then my Vanguard or World High Dividend there. First of the ETFs. Oh no, that one's better. Is that one British Tobacco? I might sell that one though. So I think I might slim the portfolio down a little bit. It's a little bit difficult to manage. But no, overall, that's top 5. Reasonably happy. So what did I invest this month gone? I invested £400. So this is sort of my comparison what I do for if I had it in an ISA. So I checked the interest rates again, they haven't changed for this ISA. So they're still currently running at just over 0.5%. So I would have got a monthly interest payment of £1.70 from there. I'm off, and I added £400 to it. Give me a total of £3.7, and I got £10 in dividends. So smashed it in terms of interest, and I am at, well, I closed the month at 4,500, which is good. So go through the other little bits. So before dividend reinvestment, this year I'm on a profit of nearly 11%. And if I include the dividend reinvestment, it's 10.5%. So, and overall, just under 20%, which is good. So dividend return on investment this year is running at 2.77%, which is still quite a good rate. I expect that to be maybe 4% by the end of the year. Not doing too bad. My dividend yield, which is more interesting because this is the one that's actually done by money invested. So that's currently running at 2.23%. I expect that to get to 3% by the end of the year. Nice. Well, I think that'll end up. So all in all, still doing good. Is to note that I've had £32.49 dividends this year, and I think I've got £51 on last year, so we're over halfway already, matching last year's and beating it. My average dividends per month so far, that's over the 12-month period, is £2.71. I'm expecting that at the end of the year to close out at £10-ish, hopefully. Well, if this carries on at this rate, it'll be more than that, but let's not get too excited about that. So I expect to close at £10. My capital growth, so what profit I've made this year on the money I invested. So I have made £127, call that, on £1,171. So not bad going, really, when I've got that in the bank interest. So I'm happy with that actually. Give me a total growth on the portfolio of nearly £7,500. Yeah, so I'm happy. And that's where we're going to be finishing at, really. That's done over, so that's done over the 12 months as well. That should wants to be 250-ish. So I'm on, so 4 months in, doing about, I'm doing nearly £300 a month at the moment. Although that will start slowing down. I've got some things to pay and some other things I want to do, so it'll probably slow down for the next 4 or 5 months, maybe. No, I think maybe slow down a little bit, probably. See how things go. Life changes a lot. So that's where we're at. Like I say, a surprising month with that phenomenal figure there. I was not expecting that. Hopefully it will continue into, May will continue into that. I would love to see double figures again. That would really make me happy. So I've done a bit of another graph as well to share with you guys, just to show where I'm at. So the blue bars are what dividends I got in 2021, and the orange bar is the dividends I got in 2022. So as you can see, smashing it out of the park. I think once I get to a dividend payment of around £50 a month, which I don't think I'll get this year, but then that's my first target. I think now £100. I want to set £100 target. That'd be my first milestone. But as you can see, at £10 a month, I'm just starting to see that compound effect take hold, which is good. I'm happy with that. So have a quick look at the predictor, the model I'm trying to build. So that's what we're on target as now. So where would I be? How long do I need to get to the 50k? 15 years. Oh, that's not good, is it? But remember, I'm only halfway through, not even halfway through the second year, and that is done on real figures, not on predicted figures. And then predicted figures after that. So each month that'll go up, that'll come down. So all in all, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Reasonably happy. Right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'd love to have you in. And if you're interested in investing and want to start up, if you can use my affiliated link as I've put on screen, this will get you one share. If you use this link when you sign up for Train 212 and invest some money, you'll get a free share, and I'll get a free share up to a total value of £100. And as I think I might have previously said before, any affiliate links I get in here and that whatever free share I get, I will sell and donate that money to a charity of how much is it in the year, and then I might do a little vote on what charity he wants to go to, but I will donate that money to charity. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.